Being named as the Beacon of the Year is the highest honor, one that carries immense pride, responsibility, and legacy. But it's not just about the award. It's the symbol of excellence in knowledge, skills, and values, the very heart of St. Gerard Fidelis School. My journey started the first day of kindergarten, where SGFS began shaping not just my mind, but also my character. Year after year, I was challenged to grow, to lead, and to shine brighter than ever before. Now, as a senior high school student, I now carry the torch with humility and determination. SGFS pushed me beyond than just good grades. They taught me to think deeply, to act with kindness, and to lead with courage. This school molded my spirit, balancing academics with service and leadership with heart. To be a beacon means to be a guiding light, someone who uplifts others while standing firm in truth and values. This means being a living testament to the excellence SGFS embodies. I am Cyrus Nathan Castillo. I am honored to be the Beacon of the Year. I do not just represent this award. I live it every day. Because SGFS made me who I am. It's more than just a prestige. It is my legacy. It is our beacon spirit.